Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you my cheap and effective carrying solution for my Onewheel XR. Actually got this idea from a friend. This is a used milk crate. You can usually get these for free at grocery stores if you go and ask. I actually found this one on the side of a road. Then you just take a hacksaw and cut it about 2.5 inches on each side. You still got the handles for carrying, and then it just fits your Onewheel XR or Pint like a glove. This has been great for when I travel with it. I used to put it in my trunk of my car, but without a case, it would, roll around, and I didn't want it getting beat up. So this works really, really well and saves you $100 from having to buy the other, more fancy carrying cases. Look at that. Secure. Ain't going anywhere. Happy one-wheeling.